Hello again, YouTubers, fellow model builders. I got a serious question here. This thing's been pumping along pretty decently, but as soon as I put that damn door on, everything just started going to hell quickly. It's like nothing matches up anymore. Oh, King Kong. I mean, that door is just flopping around. I ended up pulling out the whole interior again. But I don't want to go any further. But look how that hinge hangs. And they're in the right way. And I dry fit everything. Look at that. I got a little spot right there. I dry fit everything. Everything fit perfect. Even the hood. Now look at the hood. That looks crooked too. And it's all just when I put this door on. And if you look inside here, down by the floor and the dash, I didn't have that gap before there. See what I'm talking about? Not the same way, but look at that hinge. Looks okay when it's out. But you put the door on, you're just looking for trouble. No, it'll never close again. Look at that. Once I pick it up, like a real truck door, put it in there. I know you're going to say, get Mr. Crank or Dr. Cranky's hinges, but it's far ahead for that. But I was just wondering if you had any idea why this would twist like that. I mean, I know that the whole frame is twisted, but when I had this all dry fitted, it fit good. And let me tell you, all you guys out there, when you were talking about putting that future on your windshields, it's got to be the best damn windshield I ever put in. You can't even see that thing. Look at that. Not a mark on there. This is the very first time I've ever done this. And that's awesome, man. Look at it. It doesn't even look like it's in there. But yeah, if you could help me out with these doors, I'd appreciate it. And that light don't seem too bad, but everything's still tweaked. I've been playing with this for an hour. So let me know. Thanks.